saw you.
Good morning, guys. It is my first official day here at Katamah Beach Guesthouse. I'm so excited to show you guys around the property. I just woke up for the second time because I did wake up earlier, like after 7, because I wanted to get up and start early with my content, because I wanted to take kind of like shoot all my content today in terms of my pictures and stuff for Instagram. But the sky was kind of hazy. The sun was up, but the sky was kind of hazy, so I said, you know what, let me go back to bed. And I felt really tired, and usually when I'm tired it shows on my face and my pictures, and I don't like that. So I decided I was gonna go back to bed and just kind of wait it out. So now it's like to 10. I'm back up and I am ready to start the day. I just want to say, like, I just turned the fan on, right, because it's starting to get a bit warmer now because the sun is like blazing. I'll show you guys the sun soon. Well, not the sun, but like how like hot outside is, because you know you can kind of see it from when you look outside and the sun are blazing and everything there. Yeah, so but I didn't sleep with the fan on, I didn't sleep with the AC on, nothing, and I slept underneath the sheets. And I just want to say like that's pretty remarkable, because I usually sleep with a fan or the AC like all the time, and I slept on the sheets and I was comfortable all night, you know, because I was getting the sea breeze and everything. And the double doors weren't open either, like we closed them and just had like the windows open, and that was good. So I was kind of shocked by that. But I'm about to probably take a quick shower, wash my face, do my makeup, and then take some pictures around the property so I can just get it all out the way. I'm not sure if I'm not gonna get all my pictures today, but I'm gonna take all the ones that can take now, and then there's one I want to take at like sunset on the beach and stuff like that. But I'm gonna shoot the ones that like can get out the way from now. And then after that I'm gonna make breakfast, because there is a kitchen that you can cook in, like a central kitchen that everybody here can cook in. But my room also has like a little kitchenette with like a full fridge, a sink, and like utensils, and it also has like a prepping area. But you can also use like the big kitchen to cook, which is what I did last night. I cooked dinner last night for everyone. So I'm gonna show you guys all of that so you guys know how the place looks and what I'm talking about. But yeah, guys, stay tuned to this vlog. This should be a nice one. This whole series of vlogs should be a nice one in Treasure Beach, because we will be getting up to quite a bit of things, so I'm excited. Okay, we just finished shooting outfit 1. As I said, I forgot my tripod, so I can't really show you guys which outfit I have on. We're going upstairs. There's this like area, chill out area. The view! Wow, this is so nice. This is such a cute little space. I'm gonna come up here and take some pictures. The inspo for Katamah is like a Moroccan type, you know, architecture and aesthetic. We are walking Frenchman's Beach, which is like on the same beach as where Katamah is. Katamah is like back right there. And this is the whole stretch of the beach. It's really quiet out here. We're trying to find the tree, the famous tree, but I don't know where to find it. I think I'm gonna ask someone because I think I see it, but I just don't know how to get there. Guys, a while ago I almost have a heart attack. Look at that over there, it's pretty. I wonder what's over there. But the way to the tree, we found the tree. And the way to the tree has like a bunch of like these weird looking crabs, and
Sea crabs.
I just like ew. It's so gross. But anyways, I'm gonna take a picture by the tree and then that's it.
Quite a few orders around this. They may take like 45 minutes. Alright, no problem. Did you pay the three? I'm just gonna get over there.
Good morning everyone, it is day 2 of Katamah and I am about to go and knock out the rest of my content for this trip. I have some pictures I want to take over and some that I haven't taken yet. It is, what time is it, like after 8 in the morning, and we are heading to the Layla suite, which is actually my favorite one, to take some pictures. I'm hoping that the person hasn't moved in yet. But it is my favorite suite here and I hope I can give you guys a room tour of it. So fingers crossed, guys. This is the Layla suite. It is my favorite. It just looked like a whole kitchen in here. But come on, look at this. It's so cute. And it has this shower. I'm gonna try and give you guys a full room tour though, like a proper room tour of this room. So you guys can see. I'm gonna go take some pictures now. Finished shooting like 3 sets of photos, so we're heading back to the room and the view. Can't get over this, guys. It's super good. This is our room, the Maya. Ram and I just made breakfast. And we're eating breakfast at, what time is it? Like midday? You're not even listening to me. You're the worst person to be on my vlog. No, never mind. Bye. Bye. Anyways, I don't care. Anyways. This is leftover pizza from Jack's Brat yesterday. Honestly, not impressed with the food. Don't know if I'd go back. If I go back, it really would be for the scenery, because I think like the beach, they're right on the beach and it's nice. But other than that, not for food. But yeah. Hi guys, it's me again. We're heading to, oh my god, to the scorpions there again. I wonder if I can catch them on camera. Oh my god, guys, these scorpion things are everywhere. It's gross. But anyways, we're on our way to Lashings. Apparently that's the spot. I mean, I knew of Lashings, but I didn't know like the bar and the restaurant was like a hot spot in Treasure Beach, you know, in terms of things to do in the night and stuff. Apparently there's like a party going on at Lovers Leap too, but we're just gonna go to Lashings because apparently people go to Lovers Leap on a Sunday for brunch, for like a brunch party thing, and then go to Lashings till whenever the night takes them. So we're gonna go there now and eat some food, have some drinks, chill, and then come back to Katamah. I can't believe the weekend is almost over. We have one more day here and I'm sad about it. I'm sad about it, guys, but you know, gotta go back to reality. Hopefully soon, you know, I can be back somewhere for staycation. Mask, bring the cloth one for me, okay? We forgot our mask. I keep forgetting my mask. And also the property here, like, it's not a lot of people, and most of the time, like when we're chilling outside, like it's not a lot of people that are out, so like we can move around without a mask, you know, which is nice for a change, because the mask thing tired, you know. But wear your mask though, guys. But I'm just saying, you know, it's been a lot nicer because we don't have to wear the mask because there's nobody else really around. Like, people will show up and like be around the area, but like not often, you know. So I like that, and that's a plus with staying at places like this, is that it's not like a big all-inclusive, so you don't have to worry about like a bunch of people being around and COVID and all of that. Like, when you come to places like this, you can just relax and not be, you know, like in a baga with people. So it's a plus. But when we get to Lashings, I will show you guys what it's like, what the vibe is like. So if you come into Treasure Beach on the weekend, you will know like somewhere you guys can go in the nighttime just to chill away from wherever you guys are staying. And I'll show you guys what I get to eat as well, because it will be my first time there. So good morning, guys. I know I look crusty. Don't even talk about it. It's Monday, my last day here at Katamah. So I'm just having breakfast. Mom made breakfast this morning, which was really nice of her, because I don't know, I didn't expect her to make, well, I didn't expect there to be breakfast ready, but she made breakfast, which was nice, because for the past few mornings I've been doing breakfast. I'm just chilling out here on the veranda of my suite. It's just really, it's so nice. Like, I love going to places like this and just being close to the beach and just chilling and relaxing. It's been a long time since I've been able to relax like this, and I mean mentally, because yeah, you guys see me going to these places and whatever, and I might always seem like, oh, I'm on vacation mode, but really and truly, it never really feels like that, you know. It just feels like I'm here for a moment and then I'm gone back to reality or gone back to doing whatever. And now I just feel like relaxed, and it's like, I don't know, I just feel like it's something that people might not realize how important it is and might take for granted sometimes, but it just feels so good to just be relaxed. Like my mind is completely relaxed. I'm not thinking about work, I'm not thinking about all kind of things, I'm just thinking about the moment right here, and I'm in the moment. And for me, it's been hard for like the last year or so to feel this way, you know. And it's just a little blessing, you know. Like we might not realize how important it is sometimes to disconnect and feel like you're not thinking about going back home and going back to whatever you were doing, but just being in a moment and just relaxing. Like, oh my god, man, I miss this. But I hope you guys can hear me properly, because the sea where we are, the sea crashes really roughly. I'm not sure if there's like a reef or something out there, because it crashes really hard. Because when we go by the other side down there by like Eggy's bar, it's a lot calmer, and that's actually where a lot of the boats and stuff, the fisherman boats are. I might take you guys down there today. We would have gone up there earlier when I went by the tree that I was looking for when I took my pictures. I actually might go back there today because I want to take some pictures on the beach today. I've hardly taken anything on the beach, and come to Treasure Beach and do our beach content, like what? So I want to do that today. Hopefully I get to. I'm not sure what time we're checking out. I need to check, but I'm hoping that we'll get to spend the rest of the day here and then like leave here about 4 o'clock or so, and then that would be it for me. Like, wow, it's been such a good weekend, guys. It's been such a good weekend. By the way, before I forget, if you guys are interested in coming to Katamah, I do have a discount code for you guys that gives you 10% off your stay, which is freaking amazing. I wish I had a 10%, but you can use the code Ashley10 to get 10% off your stay if you do decide to come here. I highly recommend coming here, especially for people who would like to kind of disconnect and just go somewhere to relax. I do recommend this place for groups as well. It's definitely a nice place to come with your friends, because they actually have like even cards and stuff over by the common area. I don't know if I showed you guys properly over by that side, but I will try to get all that footage in so you guys can get an essence of the place. But I think it's really nice to come with friends and family, you know, because you have space to sit and chill and talk. You have the big open beach, and then there are multiple bars that you can walk to, like just right there, you know. There's 2 of them just right there, and then the fishermen boat are right there to go to Pelican, you know. It's just really nice. And you have different kinds of rooms. If you are somebody that likes a little bit more luxury, I would recommend the Maya suite, which is the one I'm staying in, or the Layla. The Maya and the Layla are the most luxe. I would also recommend the which one is here again? I'm not sure the name. I'll insert the name on the screen here so that I can tell you guys which one it is. The others aren't as like fancy in terms of the little details, but they're still nice rooms. But they have, I think they have things for everybody, you know. If you want a little bit more luxe, or you're okay with it being super rustic, and you know, because everything here is inspired by Morocco, so a lot of the pieces that you will see on property have Moroccan influences or are like flown here from Morocco, which is really, really cool. And it's just really nice to see those little things in the rooms and stuff. Like, it's beautiful. It really is beautiful. But I definitely recommend you guys. I definitely want to come back here. I would definitely come back. And the prices of the rooms are reasonable as well. I think they're pretty affordable rooms. So you can check the link in the description box below and kind of check out the website. If you're gonna book, you can use the discount code. You get 10% off. I mean, you're getting 10% off prices that are already affordable. I mean, that's really cool, if I may say so myself. But yeah guys, I'm just gonna finish up breakfast and then I will take you guys probably on the beach. I'm gonna take some pictures on the beach, and I don't know what else I'm gonna get up to today. I didn't get to do any other activities really off property. I went to Lashings and I went to Jack Sprat, but that was about it. Nothing else kind of worked out for me for this weekend, but that's okay. I'll definitely be coming back to Treasure Beach, so when I do come back I can definitely get to do those other things that I wanted, you know, but that's fine. But yeah guys, walking to the little fishing village now. See if we can get some fish. Huh? Yes. We are at Eggy's on the beach. Ooh, lobster. I'm sure you gave us some lobster. It's already cooked for free. Mommy, you did good. Yeah. Him like off mommy same there one free lobster. It cook already. Are you gonna eat it now? Shortly. It's warm?
Oh wow, look at it just come off of the fire.
Oh wow, yeah, it's hot. Damn, Mom.
You shall see more than you tell me.
That's nice. Very nice. Big up Eggies.